properly done, lined with streetlights, and of course markings with drainage on the two sides. I therefore commission this road in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Wow, it is seriously raining projects back to back in the southeast. But you see Abia State, that particular Abia State governed by Alex Otti is on another level. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, the home of real progress, good vibes and community stories that inspire. Now if you're not hearing what's going on in Abia State, you're seriously missing out because it is raining projects everywhere. Abia State under Alex Otti, that man is not playing. Just recently, he made history by commissioning not one, not two, but 14 roads in Abia. 14 fully completed roads, and they are not just ordinary roads. They come with functional street lights. Do you know what this means for a commercial city like Abia? This is major. We are talking smooth roads, improved business movement, better security all night, and of course, a massive boost in the city's overall vibe. Abia is glowing, honestly, and you can't talk about this event without mentioning the emotional scenes that happened, from traders to students to everyday residents showing love to this man. The love for Governor Otti was so real. You could just feel it in the air. Kindness, gratitude, and pure joy. People were hugging, cheering, even tearing up. Let's be honest, good leadership speaks for itself, and Alex Otti is doing exactly what people voted him to do: deliver results. Oh yes, gone are the days of abandoned roads and forgotten promises in Abia State. Now we are seeing real transformation, and Abians are not just seeing it, they are feeling it. Look, it's one thing to commission a road, but it's another thing entirely to commission 14 roads at once. With working streetlights too. That's not just governance, that's a bold statement. That's leadership with purpose. And guess what? This is just one chapter in Otti's story. If this is what he's doing already, can you imagine where Abia will be in the next few years? I can't just imagine it. Otti is not just building roads, he's building trust, he's building hope, and he's showing everyone that Abia is open for business, open for progress, and open for the future. So to His Excellency Governor Alex Otti, we say well done, sir. You're making the Southeast proud. Abia is shining bright again, and we love to see it this way. Now over to you watching. What do you all think about the impressive milestone in Abia State by Alex Otti so far? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.
I've been moving.
Name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Like he has described, this road was properly done, lined with streetlights, and of course markings with drainage on the two sides. I therefore commission this road in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. head towards Abia. But today, by the grace of God, we have a good standard. Therefore, gives me great pleasure to declare this road open for public use. And I so do in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.